CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. That's 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Thursday, April 9, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. The Commerce Department said that the trade deficit dropped 28.3% to $25.97 billion. This is the smallest gap since November 1999, and the 7th consecutive month the trade deficit has declined as the U.S. recession has cut into demand for imported products. Economists had expected the trade deficit to widen to $36.4 billion in February. The Labor Department said initial jobless claims fell to an adjusted 654,000, down from a revised 674,000 the previous week. Analysts expected claims to drop to 660,000. The total number of laid-off Americans receiving unemployment checks rose to 5.84 million from 5.75 million, which was the most on record since 1967 and higher than analysts expected. The 4-week average of claims fell to 657,250, the first drop after 11 straight increases. The declines are still high and the most in 26 years, although the labor market has grown by 50% since then. Here are the apparel stores' March same-store sales. Abercrombie and Fitch sales dipped 34%. American Eagle Outfitters sales fall 16%. Limited Brands sales slides 9%. Analysts expected 12% drop. Gap Incorporated sales down 8%. Analysts expected 9.9% drop. ROST Stores Incorporated sales gained 3%. Buckle Incorporated sales up 14.7%. Here are the discount variety stores' March same-store sales. Target Corporation sales slipped to 6.3%. Analysts expected 7.4% decline. Costco Wholesale Corporation sales down to 5%. Wal-Mart Stores Incorporated rose to 1.4%. Analysts expected a 3.2% rise. Wells Fargo and Company said it expects to report a record net income of approximately $3 billion for the first quarter of 2009, or approximately 55 cents per common share. Total revenue was $20 billion, that is up an estimated 16%. The 85% reduction in the company's common stock dividend from 34 cents per share to 5 cents per share announced on March 6, 2009 will benefit retained earnings by about $1.25 billion in additional common equity per quarter. Wells Fargo and Company is a diversified financial services company with $1.3 trillion in assets. The Pep Boys Manny, Mo, and Jack reported diluted loss per share of 63 cents compared to a loss per share of 39 cents last year. Analyst average estimates a loss of 26 cents per share. The general pullback in consumer spending during the fourth quarter of 2008 resulted in a weak holiday season and the deferral of tire purchases. The Pep Boys Manny, Mo, and Jack, together with its subsidiaries, operates as an automotive retail and service chain in the United States and Puerto Rico. WD-40 Company reported earnings per share were 25 cents in the second quarter compared to 51 cents per share for the same quarter last year. Analyst average estimates were 27 cents per share. Net income for the second quarter was $4.1 million, down 52.9% compared to the prior year's quarter. WD-40 Company produces and sells lubricants, hand cleaners, and household cleaners worldwide. RPM International Incorporated reported net loss for the third quarter was $30.9 million, or a loss of 24 cents per diluted share. That is compared to a record net income of $12.2 million, or 10 cents per diluted share earned in the year-ago period. Analyst average estimates were a loss of 5 cents per share. Lower sales reflecting the worldwide recession, traditional seasonal slowness, one-time restructuring costs, and write-downs contributed to the earnings loss. RPM International Incorporated, through its subsidiaries, engages in the manufacture, marketing, and sale of various specialty chemical products to industrial and consumer markets worldwide. And now, the dividend report. American Financial Group Incorporated announced that it has declared a quarterly dividend of 13 cents per share. The dividend is payable on April 27 to holders of record on April 15, 2009. American Financial Group is an insurance holding company with assets in excess of $25 billion. MFA Financial Incorporated announced that its board of directors declared a quarterly dividend of 22 cents per share. The dividend will be paid on April 30 to stockholders of record on April 13, 2009. MFA Mortgage Investments Incorporated operates as a real estate investment trust. Watsco Incorporated announced that its board of directors has declared a regular quarterly cash dividend of 48 cents per share. The cash dividend is payable on April 30 to shareholders of record at the close of business on April 15, 2009. Watsco Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, distributes air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration equipment and related parts and supplies in the United States. Celanese Corporation declared quarterly dividends of 4 cents per share. The dividend is payable on May 1st to owners of record as of April 15, 2009. Celanese Corporation engages in producing and selling industrial chemicals, acetyl products, and engineered polymers in North America, Europe, and Asia. Callaway Golf Company announced that the board of directors has declared a dividend of 7 cents per share payable April 29 to shareholders of record as of April 15, 2009. Callaway Golf Company, together with its subsidiaries, designs, manufactures, and sells golf clubs and golf balls in the United States and internationally. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.